Routers play a vital role in just about every household, but they're one of those products that just don't get a lot of attention until something breaks, forcing you to scramble and find a new one, which can be stressful if there's a school or work assignment due with a short deadline. That's why it's so important to consider replacing your router every 4 to 5 years. That might seem like a lot, but in this video we'll talk about the reasons why, and which router might work best for your needs. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to click the link in the description after the video to explore our entire selection. One of the biggest reasons to replace your router before it breaks is that you may not be getting the internet speed that you're paying for. Routers have a limit on how much data they can allow through, so if you increase your internet speed through your provider and have a router that can't support it, you're paying for speeds that you can't take full advantage of. That being said, if your internet is feeling sluggish, sometimes it can be solved by simply rebooting your existing router. But if that doesn't work, you'll want to consider a new one. Then there's the security aspect. Each year, cybercriminals get smarter, requiring security to get better to compensate. A new router will offer better security to keep your data safe, which is an invaluable asset. Another reason you may want to consider a replacement is if your network gets bogged down by multiple people using devices at the same time. This can be especially frustrating if you're on a video chat for work or school and someone decides they want to do some online gaming at the same time. A new router can help by broadcasting higher speeds to more connected devices. As for router types, there are a few options available. The first is a modem-router combination. This is a great all-in-one solution as it incorporates both required devices into one. A router won't work without a modem, and some people don't want, or don't have the space for, 2 devices. These work best in homes up to about 2,000 square feet, but that will vary based on your home's construction and how open the rooms are. Before purchasing one of these, be sure to verify it will work with your particular internet service provider. Then you have a standalone router. Since these don't have a modem built in, they need to be hooked up to one to broadcast the Wi-Fi signal. These come in a variety of styles. Some are good for general use like surfing the internet or streaming video on your TV, phone, or computer. Others are designed with gaming in mind. Amongst other benefits specific to gaming, these allow you to set internet speed priorities so that your gaming speeds won't be disrupted by other connected devices. In some cases, they even broadcast a stronger signal, which can work well in homes even larger than 2,000 square feet. If you use either of the previous types of routers, you may find that there are still dead spots in your home. If this is the case, you may want to try one of the following devices. First is a network extender. These are small devices that work along with an existing router. They plug into a power outlet and help broadcast a Wi-Fi signal into dead zones within your home. But they don't offer a full-strength connection and often create their own small networks, which can cause issues when you move from room to room. These work best for areas you don't occupy frequently, but still want to have a usable signal. Finally are mesh network systems. These are extremely popular as they work great in large homes and homes with lots of rooms. They typically come with a main router that plugs into your modem and a secondary point that can rebroadcast the signal at almost full strength. They're simple to set up using an app on your smartphone, and if you find you need more coverage, you can simply add another point to expand the system further. They don't offer as much customization as a gaming router, but in homes where gaming isn't a priority, these are a great option. They tend to be a larger investment than a typical router, but are well worth the expense. Each home is unique, so certain products may work better in your home than others. If you need any assistance finding which router will work best for your needs, be sure to contact our experts by phone, email, or chat online. We're available 7 days a week and are always happy to help. Thanks for watching.